Hello, welcome back to Ray Photography 27. In this occasion, I want to show you some of my 1/8 scale collection. As you can see in here, got some loose without the box and most of them still with the box. Okay, let's close up a little bit. This is starting from the left side. You can see in here there is the CLK DTM AMG. I've got the Porsche and the rest you can see. If you got some question, you just ask me via comment or direct message me on my Instagram rayphotography27 and I will be delightful to give you the information about my collection. So this is the 1/8 scale. Some of it, like the Ferrari F40, comes with the 6/4 scale, but it's just some the accessories for the 1/8 scale to be more interesting to see. And you can see in here, this is the center. This is almost center to the left. I've got Countach. This is still made in Italy. I got Diablo, also made in Italy. Another W124 Mercedes-Benz. You can see some of the auto arts and the iconic G-Class. I got the short wheelbase and the long wheelbase. On top of the left, I've got the Porsche Cayenne from Maisto, and the rest you can see. Yep, that's it. Some tour of my unbox collection of 1/8 scale. I'm still trying to figure out how to display them. Yeah, I hope soon I will make my mini museum gallery, so it will be more interesting to see. And last but not least, this is the loose that I put because I don't have any rooms on the top. It's already finished and occupied, but you can see the CLK GTR Street version, 2 VX80 Land Cruiser, and the CLK GTR. Alright, thank you for joining me. See you on another video. Bye bye.